going to continue with our WhatsApp. So locate your WhatsApp business account. Now the first thing you need to do is, if you want to set it up for business, for a real business, make sure you click on locate the WhatsApp, then click on this three dotted line, then go to settings. Then after that, click on business tools. Under business tools, they will ask you to set your profile. Look at the information that is on your profile, then look at the profile picture. I'm going to actually remove that, then add another profile picture later. So if you want to add profile picture, just tap on this aspect that you just remove profile picture from, then locate the profile picture on your mobile phone, then add it, then look at the information, look at the time, then look at the email address. So I'm going to put that email address. So add your website. So now the next thing which you need to pay attention is catalog. Well, I've used that phone number before. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to remove this particular post which I added to my catalog before. So now you want to add a new product from the beginning. So how do you go ahead and do that? So all you need to do is click on add new products, or add new item rather. So the first thing is add images. Click on add images, then locate the where the image is on your computer or your mobile phone rather. Sorry about that. Then they are on my WhatsApp images. So I'm going to be using this firstly. So I've added all these four images like that. Then add the name of the image. Then this part of link will be shown later. How we can add all this link to our, how we can add a checkout link to our product will be shown to you later. After that, click on save. So I will go ahead and add other items. So this time I will make it fast. You can see how fast and easy it is to add all these products. So if you have multiple products, this is how you add them one after the other. So from here, it will be reviewed. So after reviewing, you will not see this time icon that is showing on the left hand side, on the top left hand side of each of the products. So you won't be seeing it if it has been reviewed and accepted. So which means people cannot check out from your page. So let me remove this. We are open for business. So click on save. That is my about section. So I'm going to add the profile picture later. I don't have it on my mobile phone at the moment, it's on my computer. So you can see this is how you can use you can create a WhatsApp business account, set it up for business and other things. So now, greeting message, quick replies, aware messages, label, or what do we do on that angle? So greeting message is a message that customers received when they message you. You can see this one is, we call it follow come, because it is the default message. So you can see, thank you for contacting Kings and Queens Boutique. So I'm going to edit that. We are open for business and ready to serve you. Let us know which of our products you are interested in buying. So click on OK, then click on save. Now, what is a web message? A web message is when your mobile data is on, but you are not on WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp can work in background. So that message is going to be sent to them. But I don't encourage web messages. So it's better you leave the greeting message, because the greeting message and web message almost work the same way. So quick replies are the frequently asked question people ask, the responses to the frequently asked question people request or ask almost all the time. Now, let me show you how that works. Maybe when somebody is requesting about a product, let's say if they are buying in bulk, what is the mode of payment from us? So shortcut is pay on delivery, POD. So whenever you want to use shortcut, I'll show you how to use it. So click on save. So now whenever somebody is chatting with you, let us assume for instance somebody message you and is requesting for how do they pay when they purchase your product. So all you just need to do is click as if you want to type, then use forward slash. You will see all the quick reply. So when you click on this pay on delivery, then it will show to them. So this help you reduce the time of typing messages or copying and pasting over and over again. So I wish you best of luck as you apply all this knowledge. So in our next tutorial, we'll be looking at how we can create an advert targeting our Instagram, our Facebook, and our WhatsApp account almost all together or at the same time. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.